Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games Launcher login error. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First we need to exit Epic Games Launcher completely guys. To do this, click on this arrow icon. If Epic Game Launcher is in here, you just want to right click on it and select exit it guys. After exiting Epic Game Launcher, you just want to right click on the Epic Game Launcher, select properties, select the compatibility tab, and you just need to check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes guys. You just need to open file explorer, click on view, select show and check mark hidden items. You just need to check mark it, and after doing this you just need to go to local disk C. Now double click on the program data. Now you just need to double click on the Epic, and now right click on the Epic Games Launcher and select delete it guys. This will reset your settings and login info guys. Don't worry of deleting it guys. Now you just need to close out of here. Now relaunch the Epic Game Launcher and check your problem resolved or not. If the problem's solved, then don't forget to leave a like guys. And if you're still having a problem, check if you have incorrect date and time guys. To correct it, right click on it and select adjust date and time. You just need to enable two options guys: set time zone automatically, turn it on, and set time automatically. You just need to turn it on guys. After turning on this both of it and close out of here, now you just need to right click on the start icon, select device manager, expand the display adapter section, right click on the graphics card driver you are using it, select search automatically for drivers and select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on check for updates. If any available updates over here, you just need to update it guys. After doing it, close out of here. Now go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it guys, click on uninstall a program. Now in case if you are using third-party antiviruses, you just need to uninstall it guys, or you just need to disable it guys. You can disable from here guys. Click on this arrow icon and right click on the third-party antiviruses you are using it and select exit guys. After doing it, check your problem is solved or not. If none of these solutions worked for you guys, then uninstall and reinstall Epic Games guys. To do this, uninstall the launcher from the control panel and download the latest version from the official website and install it guys. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.